In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to boost a post for Facebook ads. So once you go to business.facebook.com, you're going to make sure to click on the right page. As you can see, I'm on the page called Christ Community, which is the correct one. If you have different pages, you just want to make sure to click the correct one. On the left side, you want to go to the bottom, you want to go to ads, and it's going to show up this page right here. And so what you're going to do is actually just create an ad. And so from here you have different selections, but just to make it more simple for this example, I'm going to do boost Facebook content. I also want to let you know that you can actually just go to the post itself and you're going to see a button called boost. And this one is boost again because I've already done an ad. But you can easily just press this one instead of going to the back end. So let's continue. We're on the back end again. So we're going to click on boost Facebook content. And then now you're going to actually look for the correct post. I found the post. I'm going to press boost again. And as I mentioned before, it says boost again because I already boosted this post. So that's why it says boost again. So I'm going to click it. And now you're seeing that you're going to see a goal and advantage, creative, and special ad category. And so for the goal, it says, what results would you like from this ad? And I put automatic, let Facebook select the most relevant goal based on your settings. You can change it here by pressing change. And then you can press on get more engagement or get more website visitors. If you want to just let Facebook decide, you can do automatic. For this example, actually, I'm going to do get more website visitors. So I'm going to press that. And then now you're going to do advantage plus creative. It says leverage Facebook's data to automatically deliver different ad creative variations to people when likely to improve your performance. It depends on you. I encourage you to read about this right here. And then if you want to click on it, you can just press this click button right here and then it'll activate it. Alright, so this one says special ad category. Ads about credit, employment, housing, or social issues, elections, or politics. I'm going to say no, so I'm not going to check mark this. And then as you go to the bottom, it says audience. Who should see your ad? It says advantage audience. This audience is based on your page details and will automatically adjust over time to reach more people who have interests related to your business. Okay, so this one is where you should actually look and research your data. So it says right now United States 18 to 65. That is not what I want to do. I want to do more to my local area. So I'm going to click on this pencil icon. I'm going to click on it, and 18 is okay, 65 is okay to me. All genders fine, but the location does bother me because it says United States. So what I'm going to do for the local area, we're located in Milpitas, California. If you don't know where that is, that's in California in the Bay Area. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to actually just type in Milpitas, California. And it automatically does the radius here. So you can see it goes to 25. And that looks good to me. Maybe I want to stretch it a little farther. You can actually go a little farther right here with this scrolling right here on the horizontal scroll. So I'm going to just extend this and I'm going to go to 40. Alright, so then once you're done with that, you're going to go to the detailed targeting. Your ad will show to people who match at least one of these following interests. For this example, I'm not going to do it, but you can add more detailed targeting if you like. So I'm going to save audience. And then after that, you're going to go to the bottom area here. It says advantage detailed targeting will now be applied. And it says people you choose through targeting, people who like your page, people who like your page and people similar to them, people in your local area, and there's kids books. So I'm going to do people in your local area. And I got to fix this again because I believe it changed it. So then after that, let's go to schedule and duration. It says start date here, and that's today that I'm doing it at this time. And then the end date, I would like to do it on the 25th. The event's on the 26th, but I want to end it on Saturday. So we're going to keep it on May 25th. Now the budget, this is where you have to decide what you would like to do for the total amount of budget. You can go as low as $1 to 500 if you like. For this example, I'm gonna do it more on the lower scale just to show you that you can do this with a lower budget. I'm gonna do 25. So on this section it says placements. It says Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and you can choose which one you want to do. For this example, I do want all of these to be checkmarked. But if you just want to do like Facebook or just Instagram, you can just checkmark these off. For this example, I'm gonna do all of them. Once you're ready, you're gonna go to the payment right here. You're gonna input your payment here, and mine is blurred out just because for security reasons, but you want to put your payment here and just make sure that it is correct. Once you are ready, press publish.